Hey you guys, welcome back to the Bubble Multiverse. I had this SIG Sour Juliet Micro Compact Magnifier. Never opened it. Show you the little specs and stuff that they have. If you can see that. Alright. I already have the Romeo. So we're going to open this up. See what's in here. And this is the Romeo red dot. Just a regular red dot one. 2 MD red dot. That's it. That's all I need. I don't need all those different. And we're putting this on there too. Juliet. Alright. Alright. Little stuff that comes with it. Instructions. Micro cleaning cloth. Alright. One of those bikini holders. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see what else is in the box. Got an Allen key. What is this? Some type of riser for it. Something else here. These are the screws, I guess, for the extra little riser. Yeah. It's 2 plate risers on there. Some screws to go in there. Okay, so you can button it down on the bottom some type of way. Let's see what else is in here. Guess that's it. So we're gonna take this bikini. You guys can see in there. Dark in here. Oh. Nice little magnifier. There we go. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Not bad. And this is the contact. Yeah. Leans over to the side. Press that in. Goes back. It's your adjusters for up and down. I guess this is a, where's a magnet? Yeah, right here. Plus and minus. Oh, something else for the right, left to right. Okay, pretty damn cool. Alright. Put it on the gun, see how it looks. Alright, got the rifle out. Put this boy on there, little girl. Yeah, and it's a thumb screw turn. Okay, I don't want too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright. That's it. I just want to show you guys, and I'm going to show you guys when we take this thing to the range. I named her Blue Flame. Blue Flame, baby. Upgrade. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And Happy New Year's to everyone. Looks pretty good like that. Not bad. Not bad. Had to switch it around. I had the magnifier on backwards. But first time having a magnifier on my gun. Pretty cool.